Hi, welcome to General Measure channel. In this video, we are going to demonstrate GM9907L2 calibration process. GM9907L2 a touchscreen weighing controller for packing applications. First of all, we enter the menu, where you can find the calibration, on which you can select the unit, decimal point, division value, and weighing range. They should be set according to the application. There are two ways for calibration: test weight calibration and calibration by supplement. Let's take a look at the weight calibration. Firstly, make sure that the scale is empty. After stability sign outputs, clicking calibration 0. The weight display shows 0 kg. The upper of the middle part displays the current scale absolute millivolts. The below is the relative millivolts. Then, put the 2 kg weights and click on the calibration weight when stability sign showing. Enter the weights 2 kg to complete the test weight calibration process. In the absence of weights or inconvenient to use weights, we can carry out material calibration. At this time 2.3 kg weights are shown 2.9 kg, which is incorrect. Let us start the material calibration. Firstly, to ensure that the scale is empty, after stability sign outputs, click on the calibration 0. Then click on manual fill. Before putting the materials on the scale, click on manual fill again to close the feeding gate. And click record weight. After that, click manual discharge to discharge the materials. Finally, you can enter the weight value of the materials that is weighed on the standard scale. We put the 2.3 kg weights for verification. You can see the weighing data is correct. That is all for the process of GM9907L2 calibration. In the next video, the workflow and the parameters setting of GM9907L2 under the hopper mode will be demonstrated. We will continue to bring videos of the latest products. Subscribe General Measure S channel. See you in the next video.